Hi there. Today I present you the pocket watch, 18 karat gold, 29 grams, and I buy it today. The brand of this watch is Yunhangs, 17 jewels, and I want to share with you this watch. Maybe you can tell me how much is the value. I think it's not expensive watch, but it's still gold, and I bought it for $200. Now I share with you in this video this watch. This is the watch. Don't forget, when you know how much is the value, let me one message. This is the watch. Here I testing for be sure it's gold and it's 18 karat. I think it's not so old. $29 grams, 18 karat gold. Thank you for watching.